All right, check out this red truck here with a big snout and a lighted skeleton. Oh my gosh. He's flashing and this is a really neat car. Looks like a Toyota. Look at that skeleton. Very nice. All right, let's walk around the car here. Now there's like a, whatever you call this thing. It's like a rocket. And it's flashing, different lights. Very artistic car, very creative. Oh my gosh. Walk around here. And this car looks like it is definitely, it's street legal here. It's got its tags. That's good. It's so neat to see this car on the road. You know, it would be so, man, I'd love to just have this as a daily driver kind of car. You know? So it's like a rocket ship car. Ooh, what's on the inside here? Okay, it looks normal. But it's got this little thing. That'd be so neat. Oh my gosh. So, very nice. That's not really a snout, like a pig's nose, but it's more the front of a rocket. Very nice vehicle. I'm pretty sure this is a Toyota. Is it a Toyota? Can't tell. It's either a Toyota or a Datsun. But whichever one, it's a red truck with a skeleton on top. Pretty neat.